there is a misconception about plan B. First is, in any exercise, there is a plan A. If the plan A does not work, one has to go for plan B. Now, what I am trying to say and what Sudhin is trying to say, there is a lot of difference. First of all, he should understand the meaning of plan B. When plan A is not working, one has to look for plan B. So what I am trying to say is, plan A is not working. Because of whom it is not working, he has to do some self-introspection. Then he will come to know. And then I can tell him what is the plan B. And for me to do plan B, I don't require his permission. I can do it on my own. I am an independent party and I am not like him. I am not having MGP 1 and MGP 2. I am having Goa Forward 1. In MGP there is MGP 1 and MGP 2. That is his problem. Which is why this plan B has to be now thought, because the plan A is being the initial the whole exercise of forming this government, that itself is rocking now because of him.
विजयाचो स्टेटमेंट कितें येयला एमजी विशीं तो म्हाका लागना एमजी द लिडरशीप एज अ प्रेसिडेंट बाबजी पौडवळीकर, जनरल सेक्रेटरी लघु मामलेदार आणि कार्याध्यक्ष म्हणून नारायण सावंत. वॉट एव्हर डिसिजन्स टेकन बाय एक्झिक्युटिव्ह कमिटी मेंबर ही प्रत्येक आमदारान एक्सेप्ट करची पडटा. एमजीपी सारख्या पक्षाचेर अशें कोणी उलयता नवे पक्ष, ताका अर्थ नासता. सगळे पक्ष ज्या वेळार एमजीपी अस्तित्वात आयली त्या वेळार आशिल्ले सगळे पक्ष काबार जाले. एमजीपी एकूच पक्ष ह्या विधानसभेत अजून पर्यंत उरला आणि हे म्हजे बरोबर आता चर्चेत आसा ताकाय खबर आसा. इतले पक्ष काडले म्हणून जाल्लो ते चलोवचे पडटा. दुसऱ्याक ह्या पक्षाचेर उलोवपाची देरेत ना. कोणी आपल्या तरेन ते उलयता ताचेर आमी लक्ष दवरता.